Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. And very recently, the CLAT Consortium has come up with the final exam date for CLAT 2025, which is going to be December 1st, 2024. Now, a major question that comes to our mind is that we were planning to prepare for CLAT, or we had started to prepare for CLAT, but we were not as serious. So, how to go about the preparation in the last 6.5, 7 months that we have, and how to make it perfect. One major question that comes, or you could say crosses all our minds, is it even possible to prepare in the time that we have left now? So in this session, I will give you a complete understanding of how should you start a preparation, where should you place it, what are certain things that are required to be done, and how to ultimately build that process to be able to do well in CLAT. It's very simple to understand. Everybody who clears CLAT does not prepare for 2 years or 1 year or 1.5 years. There are some people, if they work hard, they can do it in the last 6 to 7 months also. But then you have to put in that time. You have to put in those small things that are required to clear this exam. For example, if you're going to start a preparation now, you should first understand as to what is the pattern. अगर आपने start कर दिया है and it's been say 15 days or 20 days and you have not done the past year papers yet, then you are clearly not started, because the thing is आपको पहले before starting the exam you have to understand कि what kind of questions are asked, how can I answer those questions, because see, the starting point of the preparation for any exam, including CLAT, is to go through the past year papers. So this is the step one, how to start a preparation. CLAT 2020 से लेके CLAT 24 तक, try to go through those question paper, one question paper a day. Why am I saying one question paper a day? So that you guys go through these questions paper really properly, right? ऐसा नहीं you just go through it and पढ़ लिया फटाफट. Don't just skim through it. Try to read it, try to answer those questions. Don't, you could say, make note of the time at that time. You don't have to do that in 120 minutes. Just try to see how many questions are you able to solve. Now, obviously, a question would be, sir, we have absolutely no idea how CLAT works. So how will we be able to solve those questions? See, the questions, a lot of questions you would realize are based on your reading comprehension skills. Your reading, everybody knows how to read English, right? So if you can read English, you can genuinely do well in that paper as well, right? So try to get at least say 20, 25. Utna bhi even if you get, you will be very set for the exam. When people start with their mock tests also, even after doing the past year papers, they realize that the first mock test they score a 20, 25, 30 at max. But they increase it, they move to 80s, they move to 90s as well. How does that work? They understand the mistakes, they work on those mistakes, and a combination of this makes them clear CLAT. It's as simple as that. CLAT is a national level exam, but you don't have to do anything extraordinary out of the box to clear this exam. But those ordinary things have to be done every single day, and that makes it extraordinary because most of the people are not able to do it, right? Let's face it. We also have this major procrastination problem where we would start one day, we'll do really well, next day we'll do really well, but third day we'll falter. Fourth day we'll start again and try to cover the third day also, and we won't be able to do too well. And then we feel यार ये मजा नहीं आया, मतलब this is not something that we wanted to do, right? So इसीलिए please try to concentrate on the preparation, understand what you want to do the basic things first. जैसे मैंने आपको first thing बताया past year papers. Second very important thing, if you feel that my English is not very strong, या फिर मेरे को my reading speed is quite slow, start with the newspapers. ठीक है, either The Hindu or The Indian Express. Start with any of these newspapers. धीरे धीरे करके within 2 to 3 months you would start realizing that you are improving on your reading skills, you're improving on your vocabulary. You would also realize that you're able to understand the passages in a better way as well. So try to work on this kind of system wherein you build a process. Now we have become a real shorts kind of generation की 15-20 सेकंड में सब कुछ हो जाना चाहिए. यहाँ पर obviously exam 15-20 सेकंड में नहीं, but हमें लगता है कि यार 2-4-5 दिन में सब कुछ समझ में आना चाहिए. That is not how it works, right? You will take minimum 2 months to get into the preparation properly, और वहां से फिर improvement बहुत fast होता है. एक बार जब हम एग्जाम को समझे तो सही, first day or the first month is always difficult in anything you do, but उसके बाद में you build upon it. धीरे धीरे करके हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं, right? So that is what you have to start with. Past year papers, do a bit of newspapers, start solving bit of questions. If you could say, if you want to do certain classes, you can do classes as well, because that will give you a very good understanding of how certain subjects work. For example, जैसे we recently launched a batch called the Vijay Bhava batch. So Vijay Bhava batch, what it helps you with, it basically gives you a complete CLAT experience despite it being an online batch. So we've made it hybrid in the sense that we will send the mock test to your houses. Right? So out of the 110 mock tests that this batch has, that's a lot of mock tests. You will get 60 mock tests delivered to your doorsteps. उसके अलावा भी जो 50 mock tests होंगे, you will get PDFs for all the mock tests. We have expert educators for the respective subjects in the respective fields who will be guiding you perfectly for this exam as to what kind of questions can you expect, how to answer those questions, what tricks can be used by the examiner, how to catch those tricks and not make those mistakes in the exam. These kinds of things will be delivered in the class. We also understand that obviously a lot of people try to make ends meet, and the coaching generally when we talk about CLAT is very expensive. So we have made it quite affordable for you. Over that, we definitely want to reward meritorious student. So we have introduced something called the Shakuntala scholarship, wherein we give you 100% waiver, 100% refund of your fees if you get an all India rank 300 in the general category, under 300 या फिर 300 in the general category in CLAT 2025. So this is going to be a perfect companion with a lot of concept classes, a lot of mock tests, a proper doubt arrangement. यहाँ पर आप doubt tab में question पूछ सकते हो. We'll also have a lot of discussion on strategy because I understand that there are a lot of times in the preparation where even if we want to work hard, we lose motivation to work hard. कि मतलब now we're not able to do it. We are not able to move past the score. How do we work on that? So we try to explain that as well as to why does that happen, how to work it out, how to move out of that. So that makes your life a lot simpler, a lot better. You don't have to go to 100 places and look for resources. You have everything at one place. So you can definitely go to 12minutes2clat.com, or you can download our apps from Play Store or Apple Store and definitely start preparing for this exam with us. We are definitely going to be genuine mentors जहाँ पर आपको properly guide किया जाएगा. You can also contact these numbers. They would sufficiently guide you as to what shall you go about with. आपको आगे क्या करना चाहिए, what are certain things that will be kept in mind, and everything about the batch that is required, that will be discussed with you, and definitely you can make your parents discuss as well कि मतलब how to go about it, because I understand it's a big decision. When you enroll somewhere, we obviously have to consider a lot of things. So please properly satisfy yourself before you enroll in anything, even including our batch as well. And we will 100% ensure, I will 100% ensure that पूरी जो quality है, that will be managed till the end of the preparation with all the quality resources, right? All the best, guys. Start your preparation with these basic things. You can join us. We will definitely take care of all your concepts and a lot of practice as well. And I'll see you in class. Keep smiling.